Good morning. Welcome to a new edition of American Flea Marketer. My name's Tom and I'm a flea marketer. What I'm doing with this website is we're getting stories from vendors, how to get started in business, what they go through every day to be out here to be able to sell products. Right now we're in Marion County, where it's kind of cool this morning for being in Florida. We got up and actually had to scrape ice off of windows. But anyways, we're gonna have stories today of other vendors and how they got started, something that you might want to do. You might have a lot of stuff or ideas, don't know how to go about it. Well, these vendors are from different aspects of the flea market. They'll be able to explain how they got going, and eventually we're going to build a virtual flea market. If you're interested in it and you like this site, hey, give us a thumbs up. We'll be going into all different aspects, from storage units that are bought to buying stuff from pawn stores to buying from wholesalers to just basically how to make a little bit of money. If you're interested in following our stories, we'd like to know. Come to our website. That's AmericanFleaMarketer.com. Come see us. See you later.